Take a closer look with Magnifier. Here's how to use it to magnify and illuminate anything you pointed at, apply color filters, and more. We'll go over how to turn on Magnifier and how to use it. First, let's turn Magnifier on. Go to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Then tap Magnifier and turn it on. You can also add Magnifier to Control Center, set it up as a back tap action, tap its home screen icon, or open it with Siri. We're going to open Magnifier using our accessibility shortcut. To open Magnifier on an iPhone 10 or later, triple-click the side button. Or, if your iPhone has Touch ID, triple-click the home button. Now, move your iPhone camera over what you want to magnify. You can zoom in or out by moving the slider, or by dragging your finger up and down on the screen. If you need to adjust the focus, just tap the screen. You can also adjust the brightness, change the contrast, or use your flashlight if you need some more light. If you want to apply a color filter, tap the Filter button. Swipe across the different color filters to view their effects. The Settings wheel lets you customize which controls show up as primary or secondary controls, if there are some that you use more than others. If you want, you can freeze the frame to take a closer look. Just tap the Shutter button or press one of the volume buttons. Now you can explore and adjust this image further without having to hold your iPhone steady over the text you're trying to read. To save or share the image, just tap the Share button in the upper right corner. Or tap the Shutter button again if you don't want to save it. You can also take multiple shots to review, perhaps from different angles or using different color filters. To do this, tap the Multi-Shot button, then tap the Shutter button to take your shots. When you're done using Magnifier, just swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen to exit, or press the Home button. And that's how Magnifier can help you zoom in on the important details. To learn more about accessibility features, subscribe to the Apple support channel or click another video to keep watching.